Today we're baking Magic Brownie Bars. This easy layered dessert comes together in minutes and only requires 5 ingredients. Start by preheating your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grab a 9 by 13 inch baking dish and wrap the inside of it with aluminum foil and spray with non-stick cooking spray. Set it aside. Let's get started. You're going to grab a box of brownie mix, 18 ounces. You can use whatever brand you like or whatever is on sale. I use Ghirardelli, and follow the directions on the brownie mix box. So I started with 1 egg, added a 1/4 cup of water, and 1/3 cup vegetable oil. About all brownie mixes have the same required ingredients. And just dump it in your large mixing bowl and then add in your brownie mix. So this creates a nice brownie crust on the bottom of the Magic brownies. Why are they called Magic? Well, they're magic because you drizzle condensed milk on top of it and it kind of soaks through and creates a topping crust, and it acts as an agent. And they're also magical because this dessert is so easy. I've taken this to potlucks and any occasion really. I like this as a summer treat after a barbecue dinner, and they're just easy to make. So I guess that's why they could be considered magical. So give those brownies a really good mix. And after you've mixed them, this is like half the dessert. This is your bottom base layer. So how easy is that? Give it a mix and go ahead and set it aside. In a smaller mixing bowl, we're going to go ahead and put together our topping. You want 2 cups of sweetened shredded coconut, 1 cup of chopped pecans, and 1 whole bag, which is 11 ounces of butterscotch chips. I love the butterscotch flavoring with the brownies. It's a little unexpected twist. So go ahead and put everything in the mixing bowl and mix it together. This is going to be the base of our second layer and the crunchy topping. Let's put all the layers together. Grab that prepared baking pan and you're going to put all of the brownie mix into the bottom of the baking pan. Make sure you get every little bit. Use the spatula and spread it around so it's a nice even layer on the bottom. Once that bottom layer, the brownie crust, is done, you're going to add your topping. Go ahead and throw all of that topping, spread it out evenly on top of the brownie mix. And this is what the second layer will look like. And last but not least, what makes it magical, we are going to add this sweetened condensed milk on top. I love sweet condensed milk. It is so delicious on its own, but it acts as this binding agent, and it's what makes these brownies so magical. Just drizzle it on top. You don't have to use any effort. Just go ahead and make sure the whole thing is covered. I use a spatula to get every last drop out of that sweet condensed milk, and this is a standard 14-ounce size can. And now they're ready to be baked. This is what they look like before baking. You're gonna bake at 350 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes until the top is slightly golden brown and crunchy. Let it cool completely before cutting. All right, so they are out of the oven. They have cooled and chilled, and now I'm about to try one. I sliced them, and of course, I'm going for the corner piece because there's no arguments. It's got that crispy top layer, that golden brown look. These are really good. My husband loves butterscotch. This is gonna be such a treat. They're so easy. Magic Brownie Bars. Give them a try. Let me know what you think in the comments and subscribe for more easy recipes.